Hey everyone, welcome to my next fun, interesting video. Today I'm going to show you how you should never clean your computer, desktop or laptop. Alright, so this is my HP Pavilion. I have had this since 2013 and it does collect dust. It actually still runs, believe it or not. Now let me show you a little bit closer up what I'm talking about. Down in here you can see one of the big problems is the heat sink over the CPU is almost completely plugged. That's definitely not good. And back here, I don't think you can see it too well, but that's pretty well clear in back. And now there are special tools for this, that special powered, low powered vacuums to pull stuff out. I have none of that. So the first thing I am going to tell you is to never ever do what I'm about to do. I have an air compressor, I have an air hose, and I'm just going to clean the heck out of this, and I'll show you how I do it. And I've not had a problem. But again, do not do this at home. Alright, some of the things you don't do, which I am going to do. Again, don't do this at home. I will be going both ways through this to clear this out. And I'm going to try and go in behind here, but I will probably have to go in front as well. I will be using an air compressor hose to make sure this is all cleared out after. There's no warranty on this computer, and I'm going to put the headset on because the compressor actually might get loud while I'm doing this. Alright, so one of the most important things to keep clean is this heat sink right here. Because the whole purpose of that, for those of you who are not familiar with the internals of a computer, the CPU generates heat, dissipates into these fins, and then this actually cools the fins off. This one was not too bad in back here. I didn't have too much problem with the power supply. That was a little bit came out there, a little bit residual. As you probably heard, that was actually pretty loud, and you might want to consider wearing a dust mask when you do this, which I did not. So all I'm going to do now is just hook this back up, turn it on, and maybe next time I'll set a reminder to not let this get so plugged. Alright, now this system test, I've had actually this problem probably within the first year I owned this computer. I think it was out of warranty. I didn't get an extended warranty, wasn't too worried about it. And for some reason, every now and then, even though it was properly shut down, it has to go through this system check to check the hard drive. Never been able to figure out why it's done it. It's always passed and booted right up after. So I'll show you the desktop once it comes up. Now this takes about 9 minutes. I'm not going to have you sit here and watch this for 9 minutes. Alright folks, so this is what I get every time. Well, not every time I boot up the computer. It's complete random when it seems to demand this test. Tests always pass. I go back to the main menu and I exit. Yes. Oh, okay, exit. There we go. So do it in this case. Yes. And then it'll boot up normally right to the desktop. Alright folks, and here we go. My 2013 computer, improperly cleaned, dusted out, and back up and running again. Alright, so hope you found this video entertaining on how not to clean a computer. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.